Hello, I'm Dr. Fred Jones. This is my wife, Loretta. And for some time now, Loretta has been asking me about doing a program that would help women in reference to their worth. Why has that been something on your heart, Loretta?
Well, one of the main reasons is because that was truly something that I suffered with myself. I haven't always known my worth, and when I think of other women, I know that it's quite possible that there are a lot of other women that have that same issue.
So over the years, I've been in coaching now more than 10 years, and I've worked with a lot of primarily women. And so Loretta's been pressing on me about this Worthology program and doing something regarding helping women with their worth. So we're proud to announce to you that we're rolling out the Worthology School of Business. This is a school and a business that's designed to help women walk in their worth, value their voice, and to tell their story. So I'm excited about the Worthology School of Business. What about you?
Hey, I'm really excited because I know that you can really help them.
Well, we've been doing it for some years now.
Yes.
Been doing it for a lot of years. And so what we're going to do is we got a link here. You can click the link below and read all the details. And we're accepting the first 12 applicants. Only the first 12 to enroll. After that, the doors are going to be closed. We're only accepting 12 to come into the program. And the thing that's so powerful about this, Loretta, is we're offering them what? What are we offering them?
Scholarships.
We're going to offer scholarships
Yes.
for the first 12. So you're going to need to apply. If you are a writer, if you are an inspiring author, if you are a published author. Now, the thing about this is we're going to put some stipulations on this age thing. We want you to be at least 55 or older, and up. And you have to be a first-time author. So if you fit that bill and you want to be a member of this Worthology School of Business, we invite you to click the link below, and you're going to be on for an experience like you've never experienced before.
I think that's awesome, Frederick, because I can see you ladies really excelling in this Worthology School of Business. Frederick here has been, he's been in the coaching for a number of years. He's invested. He's proven, and he has lots of clients that have really gone, that he's helped. And ladies, guess what? He's even helped his wife. So listen, come along. Please, click the link below.
Click the link below. It's an exclusive opportunity. The first 12 to apply and qualify, you're going to get in on the ground level of the Worthology School of Business. You've been looking for a mentor, you've been looking for a guide, you've been praying to God. Maybe you've been burned by somebody out here. You've had a bad experience in the coaching arena. And I know this coaching space because I've been in it for a long time. But you're going to find that this is home and a place that you've been looking for, and we're excited for you. Okay? So click the link below, sign up and apply, and we're going to talk and see if you qualify. And we'll see you in the Worthology School of Business, where we believe your value is unlimited, your worth is without measure, but your price is what you're willing to accept.
Yes.
Thank you.